Notcoin Gold user. So basically, if you go and tap on the levels, you can see there is a bronze level, which is a free level, and then there is gold, which has access to gold pools and X thousand earning speed. So it means all the tasks you're doing with Notcoin pools will be multiplied by 1,000. So it's much faster way to earn Notcoin. Also, there is platinum, which is 5,000 earning speed, but that's also, like 6 or 7 times more expensive, whatever, or 8 times. But yeah, here this you can start with gold, and then unfortunately there is 3 months, 12 months upgrade. You can upgrade gold for 3 months from not balance or with Telegram stars. So you need to top up your wallet with Notcoin or just buy Telegram stars in Fragment. So that's what it is.